Okay, love you, bye. I'm about to go get unloaded now. Well, y'all, I didn't film the loading, but this is the unloading portion of it. I'm gonna wait till they get the tires put on before I take the chains off. But I could climb up there, huh? Oh. Well, y'all, I'm in Mayersville, Maryland, right outside of Frederick. Or Fredericksburg, however you say it. And I'm in the same county. This ain't gonna stay on here. Just when he said another truck shouldn't be coming. Just when he said about another truck. What you say? Oh, that's y'all's?
Yeah, I don't know what they're at. You know. taking a nap.
Yeah, that's what I need to do.
Well, hell, you've been here all afternoon. You'll be rested up.
I ain't been to sleep yet though. That's the thing. I was up waiting.
I don't know why day shift didn't do this.
Huh?
I don't know why day shift didn't do this.
Well, they was talking about a tire company was supposed to come and do this.
Who knows?
Adams family. All right, just pull inside the bay. Y'all hook the overhead crane to it and pick it up.
Shit, we ain't got a crane big enough to do this. We can pick either end up, but we can't do the whole thing.
Okay, just pick up the back end and I'll make sure the front end come off the trailer.
There you go.
Oh, that's anti-seize?
Yeah. Yep. Tell you what, I wish I wouldn't have put so much of that damn slime on here. Jeez, what?
Oh, on the machine itself when they're shipping it?
That's all. I don't know why.
Rust?
Yeah. Well, you think if they was that worried about it, they'd use good paint. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
I spent a couple days in the cat wreck in here one time. They were more worried about the bolts than they were the freaking machine.
The bolts?
Yeah, rusting and all that. Yeah.
I'm gonna kill him while I can.
What a pain. What do I need?
He probably jumped off from the port. It's 20, 40, 60, 80. We can at least get a wash.
Huh?
I said, y'all about to get a wash at least.
Need a beer.
No, I don't drink.
I don't eat. Not that much. Sometimes I think I'm gonna take it up. I don't like getting up next morning feeling worse than what I started out.
Yeah. You know, they tried to get me to have it shipped here without the fenders on. I said, we can't do that.
Without the fenders?
Yeah, cause they had to put it on here with a crane.
Oh, okay.
So if I had to use, they didn't want to put the fenders back on. Well, either the fenders go back on or they stay here in, at the port. Hey, Chuck.
What's happening? Nothing?
The tire guy never showed up, so they got the mechanics out here to do it.
tire guy never showed up, so their mechanics are putting them on.
Yeah.
All right, well, that's cool. All right.
All right.
All right, tell them the second one will be there tomorrow about anytime.
There'll be another one here tomorrow around noon at the same time. Same thing. He just shook his head, okay. He just make sure the tire guy shows up. All right, Chuck. Appreciate you.
Yeah, man. Talk to you later. Thanks.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye.
What you gonna hold it? You ain't gonna be able to hold that.
Makes you feel better.
Come down a little bit.
Down a little bit, real wet.
Look like you're good. You gotta tilt forward. You give me a couple of them bolts, I'll help you start them.
Well, I might have to turn the axle too. Give me 1 second. Hand it to you.
I think he pretty much good. He almost in there.
Get the bar in there?
Nah, can't get a bolt in there yet.
Nah, I'm gonna have to turn the axle here.
Huh? This ain't gonna have to turn the axle. Or you gonna try to see if you can get that to line up that way?
Yeah, just like that.
You may be able to get one in there now. I got this one turned. You may be able to get a bolt in there now. Grab me one or two of them.
Spin it.
Grab me one of them.
Let me get it in more. Thank you, all right. Let me get it in.
It look like that top need to come towards it. Probably tilt down and pick up a little bit. I'll pick up. I feel like it'll start, but not doing nothing.
Top needs to go down. Still need the top in some more, Harold. I know. I can't do it with people in there.
Well, we out your way.
You get the one started.
That one started.
Did you start that one? No.
No. I think it's on the forks crooked. I think it's on the forks crooked because you're touching right here. getting tight. Yeah, this one going. Let me get one more. Yeah, I put one more right here.
Can't get any on the bottom.
Yeah, let me try to get one. You get one more.
Got it? Started, but still up on here high.
Yeah, this one, it starts, but when I get it in there, it'll lock up. There we go. I know you can get these right here.
They're started here. Let's see what it does.
Can you draw it in on this side?
Give him a second. Watch your foot. Come down just a little bit. All right, now try it. It might go in a little bit easy.
Snug it up.
I think all of them. He can come down off of it now. We should be good on that one now. We just got to start the rest of them.
You get it started or not?
So far, yeah. How many more we need?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I got anti-seize all over my
That's
hands.
fine. These are work gloves.
This hammer on them pretty decent. And that torque's like 1,600 pounds. So then we'll have to torque and do a freaking torque turn with an inch gun.
That's how much they need to be torqued.
I'm not sure what the torque is on it. They go another
One more.
60 degrees.
Yeah, one more.
One more?
Yeah. All right. Come on.
How much battery life's left on that thing?
2 of them.
2?
2 out of 4, so half the
We'll
battery
keep
life.
going for a while, 'cause that wasn't charged. My other one's up on the charger on the toolbox. I'm gonna go over there and start anti-seizing up some bolts.
Okay. I was just making sure all of them tight right now.
We're good. That's all we're doing, just getting them on and get it off.
Hey, you need to go back that way a little bit more. Yeah, side shift towards me. Depending on how far you can side shift. Come up. Keep on coming. All right, come on in. Come on in. Keep coming. You gotta spin the other wheel?
You might be able to get in there now.
Nah, too far out. Yeah, back up a little bit more. All right. All right, bring it in. Yeah, come. Yeah, there you go. You got some of them bolts? Yeah. Let me try one. Yep, we got them in. Okay. Yeah, I ain't want to take nothing off.
No, that's fine. You're good. I just want to make sure we're ready on the cloth for the axle.
Oh, they finally here? Well, this ought to be quick and easy now. There's another one coming tomorrow at 12 o'clock.
Okay. What time he get there?
12 o'clock.
Somebody higher up.
Is that right? Alright, how about on the other side? If you want, I can bring the tires over here. That makes it easier.
You could try to start that other one over there.
I can't hear you.
You try to start that one right there?
Then we can just take a pull up or whatever and do it on the other side.